What's up, YouTube? Here working on a 2003 Acura TL Type S. I am trying to change out the AC clutch bearing. Mine is making a weird noise. So I just wanted to show you guys how I'm progressing in it. First I took out the belt. I used this and the belt tensioner. Kind of just push that one to the left to get the belt loose. Once you get that belt loose, then you can just move it around and get it out. Alright, so I found a way to hopefully I found a way to change this out faster. Alright, so after I did that, took out the belt, I took out the clips on this splash guard right here. There's a few clips. I mean, you guys will be able to see where it is. And then what I did was I just folded it back. Now when you get to here, you don't even have to take out the AC compressor. You just go underneath the wheel well, and this wheel well splash guard, I kind of just took out some of the clips that it had and folded it back. So you can basically access that pulley from right here. And what I did was, it's a 10mm bolt, and I just used the impact driver to get it out. But before I did that, I had to loosen this washer. I don't know what they call this. Washer fluid container. Take out the two bolts, one right here and another one up there. Took that out just so you can loosen it, move it a little bit so you can get a good straight angle on the bolt. Try to get it loose. Alright, so let me try to get this pulley out real quick. Alright, so I took out the 10mm bolt. After that, took this off and set that aside real quick, and you guys can see it right there. It's got those snap rings that I have to get it out. Let me do that real quick. Alright, so I finally got this snap ring taken out. It's kind of easy, not bad. One thing I just want to maybe let you guys know, if the opening is not in a good location for you to reach, you can tap these little sides right here and rotate them, so that, because that's what I did, just so that you would have a better access to it. So yeah, I tapped into it and I rotated it to where I could see it better, and that's how I got it out. Alright, so now this thing right here, the pulley, should come out. It looks like it's not enough room to get this thing out. So I guess we're gonna have to go and loosen up the compressor a little bit. Alright, let me get to that. Alright, so what I did was I loosened up the bolts. There's 4 of them on that compressor, and they're 12 millimeter. There's 4 of them. You should be able to see it. There's one still on there. And another one right here, right under there. Another one up on top. And I was able to just push it back a little bit to get the pulley out from right here. I went through the wheel well to get it out, and so now there's these spacers inside there. Yeah, don't lose that. And here's the pulley. I've already taken out the old bearing. You just hammer it out. I used, what is this, 1/7/16, and that fit perfect right there. So you could hammer it out. So now I'm about to put the new one in. This one is the same size. Alright, let me go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I got everything back, put back in, the belt, and then the pulley, also this wheel well guard right here, and then everything underneath. Just put back that fastener. You're all good. Now it's time to start the car and see if that noise is still there or not. Sounds good to me. Yeah, there was that grinding noise coming from that AC. Now it's gone. Hopefully that helps you guys out. Alright.